we have more to talk about your investments and your portfolio strategies. I'm now joined by Hemant Rustagi from Vice Invest. Hemant, hi, good evening. Welcome to the show. Hemant, I have a caller connected on the phone line. So, okay, so we have Mike on the phone line connected with us. Mike, hi, good evening. You're calling from?
Good evening. I'm calling from Bangalore.
Hi, Mike. Thank you so much for sending us your question. Okay, you want to know which is the best SIP? You want to do like a 10,000 per month. Is that right for 5 years?
That's right. I'm 56 years old.
All right. So, can you please tell me what's the goal aligned with this particular investment? Can you help us with that?
No, basically, I just had extra 10,000. So
Okay.
I want to invest it in SIP. I have another SIP, but being at 56, so maybe another 5 years.
Sure.
Is what I'm looking at.
So you're looking at a
Putting 10,000, 10,000 a month.
retirement corpus, a retirement accumulation?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So other SIP you mentioned, I don't have the details of the fund and I don't want to be repetitive in terms of giving you the recommendation also via our expert. What is the fund in which your SIP is already going on?
I'm with Mirai Assets, which is about 5K a month.
Would you be knowing the fund category? I mean, the AMC is fine, but the fund category would be?
I'm not too sure, ma'am.
Okay. All right, let's help you strategize this. It's a 5 years time frame. You cannot take a lot of risk, and you're also looking at a amount accumulation, corpus accumulation for your retirement. So, Hemant, specifically 5 years and 10,000 SIP.
Well, Kavita, I think two important aspects. One, investing through SIP. Since he's already familiar with the SIP, so obviously you know how the SIP works. And the second important thing is the time horizon of 5 years. Normally, when you're looking to invest in market-linked product, it's always good to have a slightly longer-term time horizon there. But since he's saying that he wants to invest for 5 years, the portfolio can be in the market-linked product like equity fund and hybrid funds, but obviously not in the aggressive category. So I would recommend 3 funds, looking at this as a separate portfolio, apart from what he has already built through the other SIP. He can look at one equity hybrid fund, which is ICICI Pru Equity and Debt. He can consider investing 4,000 in that. 2 equity fund, one in the flexi cap category, HDFC flexi cap, which is 3,000. He can invest in that. And the second one would be Kotak large and mid cap fund, 3,000. So 3 funds for investing 10,000 through SIP for a time horizon of 5 years.
All right, Mike, are you there on the phone line with me? Anything else you want to ask, Hemant?
No, that's all, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All the best. All the best. Let's just quickly take one question via email, Hemant. Premal Shukla from Ahmedabad, and he wants to have a concentrated portfolio of 5 mutual funds, long-term horizon.
Well, Kavita, I'm assuming here that since he's talking about concentrated portfolio of 5 funds, that he's investing through SIP and he has a longer-term time horizon, because that obviously are 2 important factors for me to be able to recommend some funds. So assuming that he will be investing in equity fund for a longer duration through SIP. 5 funds, we need to be careful in terms of allocation to different market segments, considering that equity itself is an aggressive asset class. So the first one would be in a multi-cap category, Kotak multi-cap, a mid-cap, Motilal Oswal mid-cap, Invesco large and mid-cap, and then Bandhan small cap. So what we try to do is to allow him to invest in different segments through different funds, and then in the flexi cap category, HDFC flexi cap. So these are the 5 funds I think have excellent track record, and I think the perfect funds to begin investing with a concentrated portfolio.
All right, I think with that, it's time up on the show. Thank you so much, Hemant, for being a part of this today. Thank you.